Cavi. Nowadays I'm in the United States. I got my visa with the help of Sonali ma'am. She helped me a lot to get my visa. Special thanks to Chandan sir and Sonali ma'am. They are the best consultant in the cities, or we're gonna say in India, because they helped me a lot. Thank you so much, Chandan sir and Sonali ma'am. Thank you so much. Everybody must visit them once if they have a desirable plans or if they want to go to the United States. Thank you so much.
हाय, मेरा नाम प्रयासमान है और मैं अकांसा स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ने के लिए जा रहा हूं और मैंने अपना वीज़ा सोनाली मैम से लगवाया है। और अगर आप भी यूएस जाना चाहते हैं तो एक बार सोनाली मैम से आकर मिलिए।
Hi, this is Karandeep Singh. I am from Punjab. I processed my visa application from Sonali Sharma ma'am and finally got my visa. I am very happy and thankful to her.
Suhail Crystal from Punjab and I got my US visa from Sonali ma'am and here is my visa.